Hi there. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to render a very simple scene, namely this box. So I'm going to go to Camera View and I press F12 and it renders it very easily. So I'm going to go to F11, press F11. Before I begin, I'd like you to see the keys that I'm pressing on the keyboard, and the best way to do that is so I press N, I scroll down, I go to Start Display. What happens is on the bottom left hand corner here, for example like that, you'll see the buttons that I'm pressing. See? So if I press N, the properties show up for this object. Press N again, it disappears. So if I go press on the number pad, 7, it goes to the top view, and 3, the right perspective, 1, the front. Now, I like working in orthographics. I'm going to press 5, and again you see it at the bottom left hand corner. So as we're working, just to take a look at that. So this is the very first thing, the easiest thing you could do in Blender. So in this case here, we just want to render this very simple cube with a texture. So the fastest way to render something really quickly is press F12. So F12 and press F11 to get out, F12 and press Escape to get out. And that's the easiest way to render. Now up here in the properties in this panel here, we have different icons, and the one we want to use is this one here, the one with the camera, to render. And it gives you an idea of what you could do. In this case here, you can render an image. If I press here, it'll render an image like so. We did that before. And if you have an animation, you can render an animation by clicking here. Over here is the resolution or the size of the frame. So I'm going to put in, let's say, 800 by 600, and notice it's changing over here, and that's what it's going to render. If I press F12, it shows that. Press F11 to get out. And there's different ways. For example, if you want really high quality, you can do anti-aliasing and a bunch of other things here. Over here, the output format, PNG or PNG is the most popular. And when you do render it, it'll actually go to the TMP, the output directory over here. You can always specify where you want it output. So that's how you do a very quick render in Blender.